RF o nga ang hanap mo? Baka perfect sa'yo ang property na to. Located in General Trias na border lang ng Imus. Along Calax, Open Canal, Daang Hari Extension. Malapit siya sa River Park and future SM General Trias. Malapit din sa The District Mall, Imus. Ito ay complete turnover. At meron siyang isang toilet and bath sa ground floor. Lot area is 88 square meter at floor area is 72.99 square meter. With 3 bedrooms sa second floor. This is the common toilet and bath. Bedroom 1. Master's bedroom with access to the balcony. And bedroom number 3. The TCP is 5.3 million. Reservation fee is 20,000. Available siya via Pag-ibig or bank financing. For viewing assistance, please contact us.